Also days, I woke up coughing up blood because it was so frustrating. I was doing things that I was good at. I was really good at it. I was one of the first black ethical hackers, right? I was really good at that. But I didn't hate it, but I didn't want it. It wasn't fulfilling me. It was taking away from me. You know, like the money's good, but I'm like, no, I need more than just the money. I can make money doing anything. But I need to be fulfilling my purpose. And I felt like it was like I could only do it if they were comfortable with me doing it.